two domestic animals.
Cat and dog.
Okay, cats and dogs. And dogs. Okay. Good. That's why we're talking about two cats and dogs. Today we'll be talking about numbers and telephone numbers. Can you repeat that? Numbers
Numbers
and telephone numbers.
and telephone numbers.
Good. Good.
I think that's
Good.
Yeah.
Adinesh? Okay. Let's test that.
Okay.
Miss, what is it? How do you say this number? 7. What about this?
Wait. 18.
Sorry?
18. 18.
18, okay.